welcome to another Matrix Code tutorial video. For first step, import the reference image and start analyzing. "12 petals are arrayed to the ring at a relatively short distance. Well, add ring rail and back to image again. Consider the overall dimension of the ring 7 mm. Then offset the ring by 1.2 mm and then we should extrude it. So extrude straight 3.5 on both sides and okay. From the photo we can see that the surface is not flat and it's dumb. So use extract surface command, and when we see this message we can hide this notification from here. Okay, delete the surface and draw an arc. Start point here and here, top view, and okay. For sweep 2 we need 2 rails, then use duplicate edge to extract 2 edges. And this, and now sweep 2, 1, 2 and 3. That's okay. So look at the image again. Consider the width of this profile to be 0.8 mm. Okay, back to the model. I want to draw the curve on the C-plane and then drop it to the surface. So move the model to top of C-plane and then select surface and do create UV curve. A rectangle is created on the C-plane. Move it to the center. And change layers color and then offset by 0.8 from borders. This curve no need to offset, so extend it to margins again. Okay, and back to image. Petals are made by markers around the circle. And start drawing a petals at center. As we see, after offset, the shape of the curve has been changed. So need edit, explode, select these curves and join, and now type rebuild. 5 is okay, and now we see it's good. Now delete this and mirror from here and okay. Move it. And now array in number 6 from center. increase the intersection of curves. That's good. Offset the circle and okay. And now we should delete intersection of curves. Two methods can be used to eliminate the intersection of curves. First, use curve boolean. Okay, edit tools and curve boolean. Delete output all. Okay, and click outside of curves and then select curves that you want to empty. Note that select entire circle, right click and OK. That's it. And second method is trim curves. Trim and delete intersections. Now we should join curves together. Okay, back to image. The corners are smooth, so select fillet corner and 0.15 is okay, I think. No, it's not good. 0.1, that's okay. Select all, change layer and move it. Okay. I want to repeat them in specific numbers and size. So use array linear. Select first point and end point. It's good. 12 petals or rotate alternate. After rotation, the intersection with the boundary line disappeared. So we have to do something else. Undo, and we should rotate it and scale until intersect with their boundary line. That's enough, and delete alternate and mirror them. Okay, now select all curves and apply UV curve. As can be seen, a stretch was a pair. There are other ways to drop the line on the surface that I will mention in the future. Hide extra things on. Due to repetition of the line, we can work on these two petals and then array them. Offset curve on surface by 0.8 mm And now scale. That's enough. Let's go intersect. The curves were moved, so we should put it on the surface again. Select curves and pull back. Split the surface with curves. Delete extra surfaces. Whoops. Before, we should split the surface with the boundary lines. Delete extra curves and surfaces. Select surface and offset 1.2. Wait. It's not good. Again, offset by 1. And it's okay. From front view, array 6. And okay. Show inside ring. And extract surface, change layer, and now we have to create side rails. Pull inside curve on surface and split. Okay, delete it. It's better to return the model to the center of C-plane, so move it -20. Mirror it, select all and green layer. Okay. Swipe 2 with these 2 rails and this profile. Okay. Mirror it, select all and join. Look at the model in render view. That's okay. And now the last part of design. Add spheres. Select curves in C-plane and delete. Change layer. Offset curve on surface by 0.4 mm. It's okay. Select and do object on curve. Sphere size 0.75 is okay. .05 spacing and placement. I think 0.05 is okay. That's good. Mirror it. look at in render view, and we can, for more beauty, fillet sharp edges. Fillet edge, and it's high, and 0.1, it's okay. Render view, and these petals 0.08, because it's smaller than this. Okay, good. And now other petals, delete them and array from front view. Okay, everything looks good. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.